Hi guys, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today we're going to be doing an acrylic pouring on a 12 by 12 canvas. We're going to be pouring layers of paint on top of each other. It'll be a little bit different than what we've done with just a regular dirty pour. So let's get started and see what we come up with. So what I have here is I have this really pretty fuchsia. And I've got this really pretty, it's called North Sea, kind of an aqua blue-green, maybe a little bluish greenish color, but I don't know, it's really pretty. And I have a purple and my white. I have mixed with each of these, this Liquitex, this is a gloss, medium, and varnish. So I'm really anxious to see how this comes out compared to just the regular Liquitex medium I've been using. So I'm anxious to see how that's gonna look. I've got these are just my little measuring cups that I use to measure my resin and whatnot. And I've put these here, and this is in order to deflect my paint around these, see what kind of a look we can get. I'm gonna go ahead and raise this up because if I wait, I make a bigger mess. So let me move these. I've just weighted them down with some sand that I happen to have on hand because I don't want the paint scooching them completely off of my canvas. So I'm gonna lift these up with these little, see if I can get them pretty balanced there. I'm also hoping that I finally have my table level. Like I've mentioned before, I'm working in my garage, and garages aren't level. They're mostly built on slopes so that water will drain properly should water get in your garage. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm gonna start with my white, and I'm gonna give it one more good stir. I'm just going to pour a circle right here in the center. And let's see, I think come back with, I want this color. I love this color. Let me give it one more little stir. I'm gonna not make it quite as big as the white, but a circle. And I'm going to do the same thing here, a little bit smaller. And last, my purple. Purple looks a little thick still, doesn't it? We might need to add, I'm going to add just a little more water. Make sure we've got it mixed really thoroughly. Gonna come back with white. I'm gonna just repeat the same steps that we just did. You can see it's starting to flow around that. So we're gonna see what kind of shape, like I said, we can get out of this. Just keep repeating the same steps here. I'm about to the end of the white here, but I want to get as much of it out as I possibly can, which isn't going to be much in this case. I think that, yeah, I think we're kind of to the end of all of those there. Okay, so let me grab my gloves, or some gloves. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen here. I'm going to set these aside. Oh, that's kind of cool looking, just like that. And now we're going to do just a little bit of shifting here. See if we can get all of my surface covered first before we start letting too much run over here. Not real sure that I really like that blob of white in the middle. Let's see if we can get out a little bit more here. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. These were on sale at Joann's today. I got a whole pack for like $14.99, which is my favorite thing to do. So that's a good size that, you know, if you make something and you just don't like it, you haven't invested in a super expensive canvas, because they can get on up there. Okay, I've got a lot of paint here that I still would like to use, so let me see if we can scoop it up. We clearly need some down in this corner. You don't want to scoop it up to the point that it just turns muddy. There we go. That we finally went to that corner. It just really wasn't wanting to, was it? I really want to drizzle a little more down through here. Now clearly, the more you manipulate, the different, more different your pattern is going to come out, more changes you're going to see in it. So, I like these colors. It's interesting that there's my purple, just a little bit, all that purple that I put on there, and there's that teeny bit of purple. I'm going to take this and catch any spots here on the edges that the paint didn't flow exactly right, or flow over. Sometimes it'll like skip a little spot. I don't know why. I kind of refer to it as like when water is running across a going downhill down a stream, or not a stream, just like a rain, and it will pick a spot and all the rest of it follows. I realize these colors probably wouldn't be everybody's taste, but I think this in a kid's room, these colors would go great in a kid's room. And as always, you can come back and embellish, you know, if you're a Cricut user or Silhouette user, come back and embellish it with another artistic piece, and then you resin over it, and you've got something totally cool and specialized for your kids' room or a playroom or whatever kind of room might have pink and green and purple in it. Oops. Anyway, so that's what we did today, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed that. We came up with kind of a different look, a very different look than what we've done on just a regular dirty pour. So just find you some paint colors and start layering and see what kind of look you can come up with. I hope you'll give it a try. Anyway, it's fun. But I hope that if you have any questions, you feel free to leave me a comment. Hope you'll like and share. And please subscribe. But whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it. Thanks, guys.